Better reach for you gold. Better reach for you gold. Better reach for you gold. Even though it's cold. Never sell out your soul. Never sell out your soul. Never sell out your soul. Big yourself, people.
So Sizzla, I know your birthday soon come up because I'm Aries, April the 13th.
Okay.
So you're good people.
Yes.
And you're the 17th.
Yeah,
So what plans do you have to do?
Well, on the 17th, I'm planning on having like a little judgment yard campfire where I would just cook, eat and drink and be here with the kids. That's on the 17th, midweek, but on the weekend I was like planning on going to Dallas and I'm going to do quite a few shows in Negril and they were like, Sizzla, where's your birthday? And I said, I'm going to keep it in Kingston. And they said, take it to Darlington or somewhere we want to see down here. I said, okay, I'll take it there. So I'm planning on going to Darlington, Cool Vibes Nuts, big up Comedy, Top of the Judgment Star, and I can each and every one of them to make it possible in Jamaica and a whole, you know, want to party, the whole is here, strong, strong, yeah? Yeah, you know it's Rastafari.